Hey there everyone, we're doing some more Pokemon Unite, playing some Meganium this time. And I just felt like doing some Meganium should be a decent pick in this match. Try and get this sour guy so then you can get a little bit of points in case you want to score or sack. I'll just try and split it if I can. Yeah, so we're going to farm up. It's a double attacker lane, but they are definitely a little scary, especially with that Sylveon early game. We have Gladius late game on the enemy team too, so if we can get early game pressure and get ahead before the Sylveon can get much of anything. It's already evolved. Okay, which build is it going? Okay, it's going Hyper Voice, which is, I would say, the stronger build. But that's fine. Put that. Okay, I can secure it. There you go. Get some heals. I've actually gotten a lot of the secures recently, but to be fair, Meganium does have a good early game secure. Magical Leaf is a very, very solid attack. I'd much rather secure it myself than give it to the enemies, and especially allow Gladius to stack up too fast. Heal our guy. Get a little hit there. Just a bit of poke. I can get this. There you go. Get Sour Evolutions. Perfect. Okay. Now let's just farm up our side. Get stronger. If I could get Meganium during the early lane phase, that would be great. I also need to give some of these Sour guy, but I don't think he's stacking or anything, so it doesn't matter too much. Nice. Like that. So I'm going to waste the Hyper Voice. We'll get it up in a couple seconds. I also do have the Gladius level 5, so he will have his whichever move he's using to get his charges up. I don't know, I haven't seen Draco Meteor or Dragon Pulse at the moment. I could check it, but fine. If you just hit this for a little bit, our guy should be able to do it. I'll actually stick up here and help him hit it a little more. There we go. Head back bottom side because our guy is alone. He's being jumped on, it looks like, slightly. Okay, Draco Meteor is the move also. Darkrai did not get it. He actually turned on the Espeon there. Okay. Should hopefully be able to evolve at this point. After getting this in Deity here, which will... great for me. There you go. Because it is one thing I have seen and struggled with sometimes is early game. Even though you get a really good secure, sometimes it takes a little bit to evolve sometimes. So go pop this. Run at them a little bit. Get a little poke. I think we should just back off though. I use special, but the special comes back very, very fast in Meganium, so it was worth it to use. Let the guy go get the experience on the ball toy there. Are they doing the right choice? They are not. Go hit this then. Okay. Scratching and special. Now I'm not able to get the stuck there. I could have gotten a juicy stuck on the guy, would have been great. Very surprised Sylveon's not pushing for the Dragonair, because he definitely could have gotten the Dragonair defeat there. We'll get our Dragonite. Our topside is losing, unfortunately, here. It's been a very neutral bottom side matchup. It does have 25 stacks. I can't guard for this. Okay, that's fine. As long as I protect the thing. Nice. Got it. And we get the defeat. We can push. Let's go. Not bad. Is an objective secure. Gotta lock this guy down. Our team is coming in. Reinforcements. Okay. Going for score. To break the goal. Our guy goes down in the end. Nice. We're able to eat the coins from the Meowth. I'll eat the set too. Sure. Okay. Does do a lot of damage though. Maybe I shouldn't have eaten the hit. I'm good. Am I healing? I'm back up. Red Ice is also taking 2. No, I'll get the finish there. Ooh, Pikachu special. I like the Pikachu special. Pop. Good. Nice defeat. You can push this up still. Eric may be staying a little long, but that's fine. Good pick. Dragonite's back. Popping special. Let's go, guys. We'll get a quick score just for a little special charge. Stay on the goal for our team. Now, yeah, get the score. Or not the score, the stop. Okay, we need to back off, guys. It's back off angle. Ooh, maybe not, actually. This is a long fight. A very successful long fight. I canceled the special there. Okay. We do need to back off at some point, I think. We are staying a long time. I'll leave the hit here. Okay, get stunned up twice. That's fine. I will slow them down. I don't mind eating hits. The slews. Stun him. Go. Nice. Alright, we'll get the secure on that. Espeon special, sure. Go down. Just a little too much damage, a little too much stun. I didn't see the Espeon there. That was a nice special. Darkrai special. Should be able to get the pick, I think. A really strong Darkrai. Nice. It might go down, though, just in trade, yeah. Dragonite just wins topside, though. Gets the Regieleki, gets a ton of score. And we'll be back, hopefully. I think Pikachu might go down. He's running, he's running. I'm coming, Pikachu. Give me some help. There you go. Can also frontline for them a little more. Special. I couldn't get the guy. Just barely off. Nice. Get that, Pikachu. Don't run in the Draco Meteors. Can't start this up, I think. I mean, why not? Dragonite does go down, unfortunately. Big damage. Pop potion. Just keep this on us. Nice. Knock him down for a moment. Stun combos. Oh wow, it's already what is it, Kyogre time? That's funny. There's just been so many fights this game. Such long ones too. Ooh, good stun. Good catch on the Pikachu. And pop special. Nice. Stand in the heals, team. Heals will keep alive. Try and eat the hits for our guy. I can't really get there. He's sort of in a weird spot. He's in a spot to where the Venusaur is like farther away, so that I can't like eat the hits directly. And then also the Meowth is by a wall, so I really can't go in there as much either. Dragonite gets in though. Nice combo. Should be able to just clean them up. Like, our team is just so much stronger than this game. We've just been pushing non-stop. Our advantage. Good finish. Okay, they are all down. We could do the objective here. We don't need to. It looks like we're resetting. My special's back up too. I mean, this is just a great fast-paced game for Meganium as well. Because, like I said, you know, Meganium gets its special back very, very quickly, so it's just like, you know, if you can have a quick-paced game, definitely helps Meganium, because I can get a special every single fight. Yeah, looks like we're just in the lead. I'm going to go maybe for a bit of score, just to cure. Yeah, why not? F3 on. Latios is bottom side. I don't know where last is, but get a quick score there. Maybe the last is in the base. I don't know. I have no vision on them. We'll just stand here. Yeah, no, that was definitely a solid game. We just fought. That was just a game to where we just stood on their tier 2 bottom side and just kept fighting for like, I don't know, felt like felt like a minute, but you know, like I guess it was maybe like 3 or 4 or something like that. That was fun. It was a bit of a stomp, definitely, but we were playing also really risky there. Like I don't think we should have stayed that far up for that long, but you know. It was a fun one. It was definitely a fun one. I got most damage taken, most damage healed. I mean, makes sense. I am the support here. And yeah, I mean, it was an even game too. Like, the stats overall were pretty split, you know, just we sort of out team fought them, you know. I mean, definitely having a support is not bad for that. But no, that was a very fun match. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you, and goodbye.